Galaxy can run complex multi-step workflows, and we maintain a community-curated library of them. This library is called InterGalactic Workflow Commission, or IWC. You can find it at iwc.galaxyproject.org. So let's look at this. You can see that there is a variety of categories for workflows. Let's explore transcriptomics, for example. And let's look at a workflow that we can use for processing of RNA-seq data, specifically for processing of paired end data sets. So if you click on the workflow, you'll find a variety of information about it, what the inputs are, what it's doing. You can also look at the diagram, which shows which components that workflow combines, individual tools, inputs, and so on. Importantly, you can launch workflow directly from here. And you can see you have kind of two launch buttons. You can launch workflow on your own data. That is, if you already have a Galaxy history with data sets or you want to upload them later. You can also try it with an example data. The important thing here is that you can select a Galaxy instance on which you want to run these things. And right now, I will restrict this to, I will do this on the American instance, use galaxy.org. And if you click on try with example data, you are going to get this workflow launch interface, which is already pre-filled with test data sets. In this case, this is a small set of reads corresponding to yeast. And you can just click on run workflow and see what kind of outputs it would produce. You get a workflow invocation graph, and you can sit and watch how the workflow progresses, how various elements of this graph light up as they are being executed. And ultimately, once everything is done, you will see the results of this workflow invocation, this run of this workflow in your history. And what this workflow produces is the count table. So if we click on this, you will see that the test data contained only one sample. And for this sample, you have a list of genes and number of reads corresponding to that gene. Again, this is a test data. You can imagine running it on multiple samples and then feeding these results in DE-seq2.